Hello fellow developers, today I'm going over the Improve component. This component works with the Analyze tool, where the Analyze tool will tell us what the component name is. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend you watching that first to be able to get your component name. I also recommend going to this help page because there's many different flags that you can use. Now let's dive into this pull request. In this pull request, I'm simply going to type in the Improve component and the actual identified component, which is joke handler. Now I've done that. We'll look for the eyeballs that'll tell us that Qodo merge has received our command and is going to start working. Since I did not give it how many suggestions I wanted, it used a default of 4. Also gave us some good information, like here's the joke handler, that's the component, its actual signature, and here are 4 categories. We can look into one of the categories, which is security, and we can look at that and saying we probably should use a constant for the API token. This is a good suggestion. All the other suggestions are here too. You can review them and use them as different inputs for you to fix and update your component. Thank you and happy coding with Qodo.